Hello students. Now CBSE has published the new sample question paper for you all. So now we will start preparing exactly as the sample question paper has been framed. So new pattern has been this time. So 2021 you can see here in CBSE site. If you go in CBSE site here cbseacademic.nic.in/sample question paper SQP of class 12th, all the question papers, and class 10th all the question papers are there. So here see the pattern. Two parts are there, part A and part B. In part A, two sections are there, section 1 and section 2. In part B, three sections are there, that is section 3, section 4 and section 5. So total 5 sections are there, 5 questions you will see. And in that, the question numbers you can see in the section, that is in 1, you are having 1 to 21. Total 21 questions in section 1 of part A, which consists of MCQ, very short answer, one word answer or one line answer. So out of 21 question, you have to solve only 15 questions, that is internal choice of 1 mark. So you can see here the total marks will be 15. Now section 2 is case study. So 2 case study you will have. Now in this sample question paper, one case study is from data frame and the second case study is from MySQL. Now in that case study, subparts are there, 5 subparts are there, and in which you can see here the 4 you have to attempt. So internal choice is of 4 and any 4 you have to attempt out of 5. Now next, again one case study, MySQL case study is there. Here also out of 5 you have to attempt 4. So all are of 1 marks. Now the next is your part B, which is a descriptive questions, descriptive answer you have to write. And here the 3 sections, section 3, 4, 5. Section 3 has 24 to 33, 10 questions, where each question is of 2 marks, so total 20 marks, and internal choices there in any 2 of the questions. Then section 4, 34 to 37, 4 questions, and here 3 marks each, so total 12 marks. And here any 2 question is having internal choice. Next is your 5 marks question. This is the last section, that is section 5. Here you can see 3 questions, 38 to 40, 5 marks, so 15 marks total. Now in this we have seen that 38 question consists of data frame, 39 is of MySQL, and 40th question is of networking. Now we will see the question paper here. Now in this question paper you have seen how they have written, that is 2 parts are there having choices, and in these 2 parts, part A is having 2 sections. So in this part A, that is section 1, you have to answer in 1 word or 1 line, and here 1 marks each question is there. So in section 1 you have to attempt 15 question. So we will go through the question now. Now next is our so section 2 is also case study. Section 2 has 2 case studies, and in this you have to solve 4 out of 5 subparts. Part B is descriptive paper where 2 marks, 3 marks, 5 marks question is there in 3 sections. So we will see one by one all the questions here. So, and separate videos I will make for solving those 5 marks question in detail. Clear? So here the answer is also given. You can open the answer and you can check it also. So here these are the marking scheme. It is provided by CBSE only, the marking scheme also. So go through the first, we will see all the questions here. Now you can see question number 1, it is a fill in the blanks, half marks each. Clear? Now next is question number 2 is also fill in the blanks of 1 marks. Next, output. So solution I will do in the second video. Now today I am just showing the pattern of the question paper. You can see here total 21 questions in section 1. Here, mostly fill in the blanks, one word answer, one line answer. Now, section 2, you can see 22nd and 23rd question is a case study and compulsory. You have to attempt here. Now, in this, you can see any 4 questions from 1 to 5 means we are having a choice here. So 1 to 5 means 5 questions are given, and in this any 4 we have to solve. So in this MCQ is given and different types of questions are given. So we will go through the question also. Now question number 23 is a case study of your MySQL. You can see here MySQL case study, and in this you are having single table, and then the commands they have asked here. Select query is given and we have to solve it and select the correct option. Now the next is, since it is in Word, converted into Word, little bit formatting problem you might face here. Now next is the output of the commands here. So you can see here A, B, C, D, 4 options are given. You have to select the output from these options. So this is your section. Now these are all of 1 marks. Now part B is descriptive. You have to write the answer, 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 marks. So 2 marks, 10 question will be there. So here you can see series question, to create a series. So it is easy. You have already solved these type of questions. Now difference between single row function and multiple row function or the aggregate functions you have written. Now here internal choice is there, means out of these 2 you have to solve any one. So order by and group by clause they have given here. The next one. Now next question is you have to use function, that is round function you have to use, and you have to round it off. So 2 marks, this is of 2 marks. Then series they have given and you have to display the name of the furniture. So you have to check here. You can use here where method and you can display the outputs. Next is select star and select commission. This also we have done. So all the questions almost we have done. We will do in detail all the question. Today we are seeing how the pattern of the CBSE. So 2 marks here you have seen, 10 question are given. Now 3 marks question you have section 2, 4 questions. Now in this also you can see internal choices there. In question number 35 and 36, internal choices there. So we have to write the output and we have to write the code. So here the graphs are given and we have to write the program. So these are of 3 marks. Now this one is of 3 marks. So we have to write the select query. That is SQL command you have to write, and all the 3 select query, display and count is given. Select query you have to write. Then section 3 is 3 question of 5 marks. One is from data frame. Then the next one is your MySQL, 5 questions. Now here also or is there, means internal choice is there. Next is the last one is your computer network case study, in which wings are given and those 5 questions which we have already done, that is cable layout, best, then where to place the server and which is the most appropriate topology, and then next is where to place the repeaters and hubs or switches, and then the extension. So I think paper is the same. It is very easy, only the pattern they have changed. So pattern, once again we will go through the pattern. That is 21 question of 1 marks, 1 word, 1 line or MCQ, out of which we have to do only 15, 1 5. Then section 2, 2 question case study from data frame and MySQL. Now in that sub part, out of 5 we have to solve 4. Then section part B, section 3, 10 question, 2 marks, where internal choice in 2 questions. Then section 4, 4 questions of 3 marks, where internal choice in 2 questions. And the last one is 3 questions of 5 marks. So we will start solving the questions. So in our next video we will solve the question paper, that similar type of questions which is asked in CBSE board. So you just keep in touch. and so that you can just go through all the videos. So one by one we will start from tomorrow. Each and every section questions we will see, which type of questions will be asked in board exam and how to solve. So all the best for your exams. Thank you. Have a nice day.